This is a beautiful nebula, huh? This is the Cat's Eye Nebula. It's a planetary nebula, which actually has got nothing to do with planets. This is the end stage of a star, much like our Sun. It comes to the end of its life, it runs out of hydrogen fuel, and then starts to pulsate. And as it does so, pulsating, it actually starts to throw off material. And that material floats out into space, and then eventually is lit up by the dying, fizzling star in the middle. So this is what we're seeing here. And to me, it doesn't really look so much like a cat's eye. It looks more like a spirograph image. So what's going on here? Most probably in the very center, likely to be a binary star. So one star is coming to the end of its life, and there's another star very close to it, which we haven't been able to see yet. And it's the interaction between the two stars as one material is floating off one of them, which causes it to sort of end up taking this very spiral structure. We see the lines and filaments and shells and things all caused by the interaction of the two stars. And it's producing something which is extremely beautiful, probably one of the most beautiful stages of a star's life. And our Sun will end up there in about 5 billion years. It will enter the phase of its planetary nebula. So the fate of our Sun is to produce one of the most beautiful things in the universe.